Hi, I'm John Coyle for AutoNation. There's nothing like the feeling of starting a road trip. And with roomy cabins, creature comforts galore, and record reliability, today's crossovers make it easier than ever to head out in search of adventure. So with the idea of the open road in mind, let's take a look at some of the best road trip-ready crossovers available for under $50,000. If you're looking to bring the whole gang along on your road trip, the 2019 Honda Pilot would be a great choice. Even full-grown adults can fit comfortably in the third row, and there are 4 seats of latch connectors, so plenty of little ones can be accommodated too. Power comes from a 280 horsepower V6, and all-wheel drive is available as a $1,900 option. The Pilot starts at $31,450, and at $48,020, even the top-spec Elite trim, which features heated leather seats, tri-zone climate control, a power liftgate, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, comes in at under our $50,000 cap. The cabin of the 2019 Toyota Highlander is stylish, materials are top-notch, and overall, the vehicle is easy to drive. We'd recommend the available 295 horsepower V6 as it has plenty of power and delivers better fuel economy than the base 4-cylinder. While Apple CarPlay and Android Auto aren't available, an optional 8-inch touchscreen makes navigating various settings a breeze, and there's also an optional intercom system, so drivers don't have to shout to address the whole gang. Prices start at a reasonable $31,330, and even the limited trim, which features a panoramic moonroof, heated second-row seats, and a surround-view camera, comes in at $45,550. With its 272 horsepower turbocharged 4-cylinder and an extremely well-sorted chassis, the 2019 Acura RDX is the people mover for when your outing hits twisty roads. There's no available third row, but all 5 passengers get plenty of room in the cabin, and all the interior materials are as good or better than you'll find in its European rivals. Base models start at $37,300 and feature a 10.2-inch display, Apple CarPlay, and a 9-speaker audio system. The RDX delivers a lot of bang for the buck, because even if you opt for the top-spec Advanced package, which includes heated seats all around, a heads-up display, and a 360-degree camera, it'll only set you back $45,400. The 2019 Dodge Durango has plenty of attitude, and available powertrains allow it to walk the walk. Options include a 295 horsepower V6, a 360 horsepower 5.7-liter V8, or a beefy 6.4-liter 460 horsepower V8. At its core, the Durango is a capable SUV and can tow 8,700 pounds when properly configured. At $29,995, even base models are well equipped, with features like proximity keyless entry, tri-zone climate control, and Dodge's Uconnect system, which includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. While the high-performance SRT trim blows past our $50,000 limit, a variety of packages makes it easy to get exactly what you're looking for. The 2019 Chevy Traverse is another great choice if you're looking for generous passenger space, as it's roomy everywhere, including the third row. While a 255 horsepower 4-cylinder is available, the 310 horsepower V6 makes for better motivation. The Traverse starts at just $29,930 and comes standard with a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 6 USB ports, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. For $48,695, buyers can pick up a premium trim with the V6, all-wheel drive, and a driver's assistance package, which includes features like front pedestrian detection with braking, and with goodies like heated second-row seats and wireless charging. Of course, you shouldn't buy a car without a thorough test drive. So if you're looking to check out one or more of these road trip-ready rides, head to AutoNation.com to find a nearby dealer. So which crossover do you think is best? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe as we have more videos coming up. I'm John Coyle. Thanks for watching.